Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today my topic is believe in yourself. Sometimes we think that we can't do anything. Why? Because we don't believe in ourselves. If you don't believe in yourself, you can't do anything. Because, for example, I represent that topic in front of you. If I don't have confidence in myself and don't believe myself, I never speak with you confidently. Always I feel nervous and I never say like that, like confidence. So, my friends, why you are sitting your seat? Come here, say something, speak something, and do something. I love you. I love my friend. Not you, all of you. So, my last message is believe in yourself and move forward and come over your fearlessness. Why always you silence, or why you are thinking that we never do anything?
Yes.
You do everything. Stand up and not waiting for this time. I got an opportunity and I started my journey. No, you never got an opportunity. You believe in yourself. You solely create your opportunity.
Yes.
And you do anything and everything.
Yeah, you can marry
20 girls. You can marry 4 girls because 20 girls is not our law.
Okay.
Not our in our law.
Our law does not permit us.
Okay. If you marry 20 girls, you go to jail for 20 years. Not believe yourself that like that. Believe in your. My last message is
Yes.
Wait for a opportunity and
Create your own opportunity.
believe in yourself and create your own opportunity, and you give some people to opportunity.
Yes. Okay, that's a good speech. Okay, very good.